Hey guys, today let's try to add a timestamp in a YouTube video. So this is going to be pretty easy because all we need to do is to go ahead and launch the YouTube application of your device. And I want you to go ahead and tap on your U tabs and tap on View Channel. Once you're there, let's go ahead and just tap on any specific video we'd like to go ahead and watch. And once we're already here, I want you to go on over onto its comments section. So entering the comments section of a specific video will allow us to add a comment. Of course, once you're already there, let's just go ahead and enter any timestamp that we'd like. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what this will look like step by step. So all we need to go ahead and do from there is to just go ahead and enter the comment through here, and I want you to go ahead and enter the timestamp. So whether that may be 1 minute and 52 seconds, just go ahead and add number 1 semicolon and then 52, and then enter it onto the comment section, and that'll automatically be a timestamp, allowing other users or viewers to click on it and view on that specific timestamp as well. And essentially that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.